If 2 plus 2 root 3 I is equal to k into cos theta plus I sin theta, k greater than 0, then 1 by root 3 into cos 6 theta plus I sin theta is, I sin 6 theta is. So here is given 2 plus 2 root 3 I is equal to k into cos theta plus I sin theta. Equating real parts, that is k cos theta is equal to 2. Equating imaginary parts, that is k sin theta is equal to 2 root 3. So squaring on both sides, that is k square cos square theta is equal to 4. So this is k square sin square theta is equal to 4 into 3 12. Add these two equations, that is k square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 4 plus 12 16. This value is 1. K square is equal to 16, k is equal to 4. So here is k greater than 0, that is k value is taken as 4. Substituting k is equal to 4 in the given relation, that is 2 plus 2 root 3 I is equal to k, that is 4 into cos theta plus I sin theta. Equating real parts, that is 2 is equal to 4 cos theta. From this cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. So substituting theta is equal to 60 degrees in this relation, that is 1 by root 3 into cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta, that is equal to 1 by root 3 into cos 6 theta, 6 into 60, that is cos 360 plus I sin 6 theta, this is 360. So that is equal to 1 by root 3 into cos 360 is 1 plus I into sin 360 is 0. That is equal to 1 by root 3. This is the required answer. If x is equal to 2 plus 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3, then x cube minus 6x square plus 6x is. So take from this x minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power of 1 by 3. We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So cubing on both sides, that is x minus 2 whole cube is equal to 2 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 2 to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube, that is x cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x into minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole cube is equal to, this is a plus b whole cube, that is a cube 2 power 2 by 3 whole cube plus b cube, that is 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3ab, 3 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 by 3. So here is x cube minus 3 into 2, 6x plus 3x into 4 square, that is 12x. This is minus 6x square. Here is minus 2 whole cube. This is minus 8 is equal to 2 power 2 by 3 whole cube, that is 2 square is 4 plus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube, that is 2 plus 3 into 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3, that is 2 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 by 3 value. This is the first equation, that value is x minus 2. This is x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 is equal to 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 into 2 6, 6 into x 6x minus 12. So from this x cube minus 6x square is 12x minus 6x, that is plus 6x, take minus 8 this side, that is 6 minus 12 plus 8, that is 6 plus 8 14, 14 minus 12 is 2. So the value of x cube minus 6x square plus 6x is equal to 2. The domain and range of y of x is equal to cos x minus 3 r respectively. So here is given function y of x is equal to cos x minus 3. We know that domain of cos x is r. So domain of y of x is domain is equal to r, and the range, we know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. This is the range of cos x. Here is given cos x minus 3. So subtracting minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 less than or equal to cos x minus 3 less than or equal to 1 minus 3. That is minus 4 less than or equal to cos x minus 3 is y of x, which is less than or equal to minus 2. Therefore, range is equal to closed bracket minus 4 minus 2. This is the range of the given function. Here domain is R and range is minus 4 comma minus 2. So closed interval. If f of 1 is equal to 0 and f of n plus 1 minus f of n is equal to 5n for all n belongs to n, then f of n is, here is given is f of 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 0 is given, and the given relation is f of n plus 1 minus f of n is equal to 5n. Put n is equal to 1, that is f of 1 plus 1, that is f of 2 minus f of 1 is equal to 5 into 1, 5. N is equal to 2, that is f of 2 plus 1, that is f of 3 minus f of 2 is equal to 5 into 2, 10. Put n is equal to 3, that is f of 4 minus f of 3 is equal to 5 into 3 is 15. Up to dash dash, substituting n is equal to n, that is f of n plus 1 minus f of n is equal to 5n. So add all these equations. Here is f of 2 and f of 2 cancel, f of 3 cancel, f of 4 cancel, and f of n minus f of n cancel. That is f of n plus 1 minus f of 1 is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus up to dash dash 5n. Here f of 1 value is 0, that is f of n plus 1 is equal to, take 5 common, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to dash dash n, that is equal to 5 into, this is sigma n, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is f of n plus 1 value is equal to 5 by 2 into n plus 1. Now substituting in place of n minus 1, that is f of n minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to f of n is equal to, substituting n minus 1, that is 5 by 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1. Here 1 cancel, that is equal to 5 by 2 into n square minus n. So this is the value of f of n. So f of n is equal to 5 by 2 into n square minus n. Let capital A and capital B be 2 3 by 3 non-singular matrices such that det of A transpose BA is equal to 27 and det AB inverse is equal to 8. Then det of B inverse B transpose A inverse B is, it is given determinant of A transpose B A is equal to 27. This is det of A transpose into det B into det A is equal to 27. We know that det A transpose is det A. That means det A into det B into det A is equal to 27. Your det A transpose is equal to det A. This is the formula. Here det A whole square, det A square into det B is equal to 27. This is the first equation. And second is given det AB inverse is equal to 8. That is det A by det B. Det B inverse means by det B is equal to 8. This is the second relation. Multiplying these two, that is det A square into det B into det A by det B is equal to 27 into 8. Here det B cancelled. That is det A square into det A, that is det A cube is equal to 27, that is 3 cube into 8, this is 2 cube. From this det A is equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Det A value is 6. And substituting in this equation, that is det A by det B is equal to 8. From this det B is equal to det A by 8, that is 6 by 8. 6 by 8 is 3 by 4. Therefore, det B value is 3 by 4. Now we find det of B transpose A inverse into B, that is equal to det B transpose det A inverse into det B. Det B transpose, det B are same, that is det B whole square by det A. Det B value is 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16 by det A. Det A is 6, that is equal to 9 by 16 into 1 by 6. Here 3 times cancel, here 2 times cancel, that is equal to 3 by 16 into 2, 32. Therefore, det of B transpose A inverse B is equal to 3 by 32. This is the answer. Two into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is. So here is put theta is equal to 90 degree or 0 degrees or 0 degrees. I put theta is equal to 90 degrees, that is 2 into sine 90 whole power 6, that is 1 power 6 plus cos 90 0, this is 0 power 6 minus 3 into sine 90, that is 1 power 4 plus cos 90, this is 0, that is 2 into 1 power 6 2 minus 3 into 1 power 4 3, that is 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Sin 35 by cos 55 whole square plus cos 55 by sin 35 whole square minus 2 cos 30. Here we first find the value of cos 55. So cos 55 is written as cos of 90 minus 35. Cos 90 minus theta, that is sin 35. So cos 55 value is sin 35. Substituting in this equation, that is sin 35 by cos 55 value is sin 35 whole square plus cos 55. This is sin 35 by sin 35 whole square minus 2 into cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Here sin 35 cancel, that is 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 minus 2 cancel, that is equal minus root 3, that is equal to 2 minus root 3. This is the value of the given problem. If cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 and pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2, that means theta lies in third quadrant, then find the value of tan of theta by 2. Here is given pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. That means theta belongs to second third quadrant Q3. 180 to 270. So now we find theta by 2. Dividing by 2, that is pi by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 3 pi by 2 into 2, that is 3 pi by 4. So 90 to 135, that means theta by 2 belongs to Q2 in second quadrant. Now we find the value of tan theta by 2. So here tan theta by 2 lies in second quadrant. This is negative. We know that tan theta by 2 formula is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Substituting cos theta value in this, that is 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 plus 3 by 5 by 1 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to minus under root of 5 plus 3, 8 by 5 by 5 minus 3, 2 by 5, that is 8 by 2, that is equal to minus root 4, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, tan theta by 2 is equal to minus 2. One minus tan square 15 by 1 plus tan square 15. We know that 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to cos 2 theta formula. Here is theta is given 15 degrees, that is 1 minus tan square 15 by 1 plus tan square 15 is equal to cos of 2 into theta, that is 15. That is equal to cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin of tan inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 9 minus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is. We know that the formulas, that is tan inverse A. This is tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB, and tan inverse A minus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse of A minus B by 1 plus AB. Applying these formulas, for first tan inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 9 and tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 7. Applying the formulas, that is sin of tan inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 9, that is tan inverse of 4 by 5 plus 1 by 9 by 1 minus 4 by 5 into 1 by 9 plus tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 7. This is tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus 1 by 7 by 1 plus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. That is equal to sin of tan inverse of 4 by 5 plus 1 by 9. Take LCM, that is 45. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 5 by 45 by 5 into 9, 45. 45 minus 4 by 45 plus here tan inverse of 4 by 3 minus 1 by 7, that is 7 into 4, 28 minus 3 by 21 whole by 21 plus 4 by 21. Here 21 cancel, LCM 45 cancel, that is equal to sin of tan inverse of 36 plus 5, that is 41 by 45 minus 4, that is 41 plus tan inverse of 28 minus 3, 25 by 21 plus 4, this is 25. This is 25, 41 cancel, that is equal to sin of tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. This is pi by 4. That means 45 plus 45. That is equal to 45 plus 40. That is sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. In triangle ABC, if 4a is equal to b plus c, then the value of tan b by 2 into tan c by 2 is. In triangle ABC, that is 4a is equal to b plus c. Add a on both sides, that is 4a plus a is equal to a plus b plus c. We know that a plus b plus c value is 2s. 2s is equal to 5a. And now we find the value of tan b by 2 into tan c by 2. Tan b by 2 formula, that is delta by s into s minus b. Tan c by 2, delta by s into s minus. Here delta into delta, delta square. Delta square means s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c by s into s minus b into s into s minus c. Here s minus c cancel, s minus b cancel, s cancel. That is equal to s minus a by s. So from this s value is 5a by 2. Substituting this value, that is 5a by 2 minus a by 5a by 2. 5a minus 2a, that is 3a by 2 by 5a by 2. Here a by 2 cancel. That is equal to 3 by 5. This is the value of tan b by 2 into tan c by 2. If 4 times the area of triangle ABC is c square minus of a minus b whole square, then sin c is 4 times of triangle area of triangle ABC means 4 delta, that is 4 delta is equal to given, that is c square minus of a minus b whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is c plus a minus b into c minus a plus b. Here is c plus a value is 2s minus b. 2s minus b minus b, that is 2s minus 2b. Here is c plus b value is 2s minus a and minus a, that is 2s minus 2a. That is, take 2 common, here 2 common, that is 4 into s minus a into s minus b. That is 4 delta is equal to 4 into s minus a into s minus b. Here 4 cancelled. Squaring on both sides, that is delta square is equal to s minus a whole square into s minus b whole square. Delta square is, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That is equal to s minus a into s minus b. Here s minus a, this is whole square, this is whole square. So here is square, this s minus b cancelled. So from this 1 is equal to s minus a into s minus b by s into s minus c. So this is tan c by 2. This is tan square c by 2 is equal to 1. From this tan c by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore c by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. C is equal to 90 degrees. Now we find the value of sin c, that is sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. In triangle ABC, b square into sin 2c plus c square into sin 2b is. We know that from sine rule, b is equal to 2r sin b and c is equal to 2r sin c. We know that sin 2c is 2 sin c cos c, and similarly sin 2b is 2 sin b cos b. Applying these formulas, that is b square is, that is 4r square sin square b into sin 2c, this is 2 sin c cos c, plus c square, that is 4r square sin square c sin 2b, this is 2 sin b cos b, that is 4r square into 2, that is 8r square common, and sin b and sin c common. So that is sin B cos C plus sin C cos B. This is sin of B plus C, that is 8R square sin B sin C into this is sin of B plus C. We know that sin of B plus C value is 8R square sin B sin C into this is sin A, that is B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Sin of B plus C is equal to sin of 180 minus A, that is sin A. So 8R square into sin B, this is B by 2R from sin rule, sin C, C by 2R, and sin A by 2R. Here R into R square cancelled, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 cancelled. That is equal to ABC by capital R. We know that ABC value is 4R delta by capital R. Capital R cancelled. That is equal to 4 delta. This is the required answer. The position vectors of the points P and Q respectively minus 2i minus 3j plus k and 3i plus 3j plus 2k. The ratio in which the point having position vector minus 9 by 2 into I minus 6j plus of k bar divides the line segment joining P and Q is. Here now we find the ratio, that is here is given, that is P point, this is the P. So P is given minus 2i minus 3j plus k. This is the point Q. This is 3i plus 3j plus 2k. And the position vector, this is the point is given R. This is minus 9 by 2i minus 6j plus of k. Now the point R divides the line segment PQ in the ratio. That is, this P point is taken as x1, y1, z1. This R point is taken as x comma, y comma, z. This is Q point is x2, y2, z2. Therefore, the ratio R divides the line segment PQ, that is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is the formula. X1 value is minus 2 minus x value, that is minus 9 by 2 is to minus 9 by 2 minus x2. This is 3. That is minus 2 plus 9 by 2 is to minus 9 by 2 minus 3. So take LCM, that is minus 4 plus 9 by 2 is to minus 9 minus 6 by 2. Here 2 cancel. Minus 4 plus 9, that is 5 is to minus 9 minus 6, that is minus 15. That is equal to 1 is to minus 3. This is written as minus 1 is to 3. This is the ratio. Therefore, required ratio is equal to minus 1 is to 3. A problem in algebra is given to two students A and B, whose chances of solving it are 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. That is, P of A is given. That is, P of A is equal to 2 by 5 and P of B is equal to 3 by 4. The probability that problem is solved if both of them try independently is, independently means P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. That is, P of A is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. That is equal to 2 into 3, 6 by 20. Now we find P of A union B. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. That is P of A. This is 2 by 5 plus P of B. That is 3 by 4 minus 6 by 20. That is, take LCM 20. 5 4 times 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 3, 15 minus 6. That is 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 plus 8. that is 17 by 20. This is the answer. If P of capital X is equal to X is equal to 5 R power X, where X is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to dash dash, is the probability density function of a discrete random variable X, then R is. So we know that P of X is equal to small x. This value is 1. That is P of X is equal to 1 plus P of X is equal to 2 plus P of X is equal to 3 plus up to dash dash is equal to 1. P of X is equal to 1. Substituting X is equal to 1 in 5R power X. That is 5R. This is 5R square plus 5R cube plus up to dash dash is equal to 1. So take 5R common, that is 1 plus R square plus up to dash dash is equal to 1. This is infinite GP, that is 5 into, we know that infinite GP S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Here A value is 1 first term and R is common ratio, that is R. That is 1 by 1 minus R is equal to 1. From this 5R is equal to 1 minus R. That is 5R plus R is equal to 1. 6R is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of R is 1 by 6. If a point P x comma y moves such that the sum of the squares of its coordinate axes is equal to their product, then the locus of P excluding origin is. We know that these are the x-axis and y-axis. Here P x comma y is given. The distance from P to x-axis, this is modulus of y, and the distance from P to y-axis, this is modulus of x. Sum of the squares of its distance coordinates, that is mod x square plus mod y square, is equal to their product, that is xy. So this is x square plus y square is equal to xy. So dividing by xy, that is x square plus y square by xy is equal to 1. That is x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 1. X cancel. That is x by y. Here y cancel. That is y by x is equal to 1. This is the locus of the point P. When the origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by the translation of axes, the transformed equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0 is. So we know that small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Here is given origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2, that is h comma k is equal to minus 1 comma 2. That is h is minus 1, that is capital X minus 1, and small y value is capital Y plus 2. Substituting these values in the given equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is capital X minus 1 whole square, y capital Y plus 2 whole square plus 2 into capital X minus 1 minus 4 into capital Y plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Capital X minus 1 whole square, this is x square minus 2 capital X plus 1 plus y plus 2 whole square, this is y square plus 4y plus 4 plus 2x minus 2, this is capital X minus 4y minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here is minus 2x plus 2x cancelled, minus 4y plus 4y cancelled. That is capital X square plus capital Y square. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 8, minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, transformed equation is x square plus y square is equal to 4. If the portion of a straight line intercepted between the coordinate axes is divided by the point 2, 3 in the ratio 2:3, then the product of the intercepts made by the line on the axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the straight line. This line cuts the x-axis at capital A, this is a comma 0, and y-axis at capital B, 0 comma B. Now the point P, the point P 2 comma 3 divided this portion in the ratio 2:3. That is capital A comma 0, and capital B, 0 comma B. Here small a is x-intercept and small b is y-intercept. Now we find the product of these two intercepts. So these 2 points divided by the point 2 comma 3 in the ratio 2:3. That is applying the formula, internal formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n is equal to 2:3. So mx2, this is the point 2 comma 3. So mx2 means 2 into x2 0 plus 3 into a by 2 plus 3, comma 2 into b plus 3 into 0 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 comma 3. So we know 3a by 5 equating x coordinates, that is 2. From this a is equal to 10 by 3. Similarly 2b by 5 equating y coordinates, this is 3. b is equal to 15 by 2. Now we find the product of intercepts AB. AB is 10 by 2, 10 by 3 into 15 by 2. Here 2 5 times cancelled, 3 5 times cancelled, that is 5 into 5, 25. Therefore product of the intercepts is 25. If the equation of a line having slope m, where m belongs to z, passing through 1, 1 and making an angle of tan inverse 5 by 7 with the line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is ax plus y plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of AC is, here the line passing through 1, 1, this is the point 1, 1, and making an angle theta with this line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is, this is given, ax plus y plus c is equal to 0. So angle between these two lines is theta, that is theta is given, that is tan inverse of 5 by 7. From this tan theta is equal to 5 by 7. We know that tan theta, that is modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 5 by 7. m1 slope of the first line, that is m given, and slope of the second line m2 is minus 1. Substituting these values, that is m minus 1 by 1, m minus 1, that is m plus 1 by 1 minus m is equal to 5 by 7. Less, that is take plus, that is m plus 1 by 1 minus m is equal to 5 by 7. From this 7m plus 7 is equal to 5 minus 5m. This is 12m is equal to minus 2, m is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 6. Here is given m belongs to z. This is not m value. Now take minus, that is m plus 1 by 1 minus m is equal to minus 5 by 7. From this 7m plus 7 is equal to minus 5 plus 5m. 2m is equal to minus 12. m is equal to minus 6. Therefore equation of the line having slope m is equal to minus 6 and passing through 1, 1. That is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 6 into x minus 1. Therefore y minus 1 is equal to minus 6x plus 6. 6x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is given in the problem ax plus y plus c is equal to 0. Here a value is 6 and c value is minus 7. Therefore, product of AC is equal to 6 into minus 7 is equal to minus 42. Therefore, AC is equal to minus 42. A number of common tangents that can be drawn to the circles x square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0 is. So first we find the center of the first circle. C1 is given, that is 0 comma 0, and R1 radius of the circle is 1, and center of the second circle C2, this is 1 comma 3, and R2 that is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, that is 1 plus 9 minus 6, that is 10 minus 6, that is root 4 is equal to 2. Now we find a distance between the centers C1 C2 under root of, so 1 minus 0 whole square, that is 1 square, 3 minus 0 whole square, that is 3 square, that is equal to root 10. Root 10 means that is 3.12. So here C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. That means both the circles do not touch and do not intersect. So number of common tangents. This is the first common tangent, direct common tangent. This is another direct common tangent. This is the transverse common tangent. And this is the another transverse common tangents. Therefore, number of common tangents is equal to 4. The equation of the circle passing through the point of intersection of two circles x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, comma x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, and the point minus 1 comma 1 is the point of intersection of two circles written in the form of s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. Here is s is equal to 0 is first circle and s dash is equal to 0 is second circle. Substituting in this, that is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda into x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. This circle passing through the point 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1. Substituting in this equation, that is x square minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 into 1 3 plus 1 plus lambda into x square minus 1 whole square 1 plus y square 1 plus 4 into x, that is minus 4 plus 3y, 3 into 1 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, 3 plus 1 is 4 plus lambda into 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 3 1, 1 plus 2, this is 3 is equal to 0. From this, lambda is equal to minus 4 by 3. Substituting this value in s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda, that is minus 4 by 3 into x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Take LCM, that is 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x plus 9y plus 3 minus 4 into x square, that is 4x square minus 4y square minus 16x minus 12y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here 3x square minus 4x square, that is minus x square, 3y square minus 4y square minus y square, 6x minus 16x minus 10x, 9y minus 12y, that is minus 3y, 3 minus 8 minus 5 is equal to 0. Take minus common, x square plus y square plus 10x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. An ellipse has its major axis along y-axis, and minor axis along x-axis. If its length of latus rectum is 2 by 3 times its minor axis, then the eccentricity of the ellipse. Here the ellipse is as major axis is y-axis, that means length of the major axis is 2b, and length of the minor axis is 2a, and length of its latus rectum, that is length of latus rectum, is equal to 2 by 3 times of minor axis, that is length of the latus rectum. This is the formula, 2a square by b is equal to 2 by 3 times minor axis. Here minor axis is 2a. Here 2 cancelled, that is a cancelled, that is a by b is equal to 2 by 3. From this, a is equal to 2b by 3. This is the a value. Now we find the eccentricity. Eccentricity is a square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. Substituting a square value, that is 4b square by 9 is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. B square cancelled. Therefore, e square is equal to 1 minus 4 by 9, that is equal to 5 by 9. Therefore, e is equal to root over 5 by 9, that is equal to root 5 by 3. So, therefore, eccentricity e is equal to root over 5 by 3. Length and breadth of a rectangle of maximum area that can be inscribed in an ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 or 8 root 2 comma 4 root 2 respectively. Then the eccentricity of the ellipse is, here is length is given, that is length is equal to 8 root 2 and breadth is equal to 4 root 2. So length of the ellipse is, this is direct shortcut formula, a root 2 is equal to 8 root 2. From this, a is equal to 8, root 2 cancel, and breadth is b root 2, that is equal to 4 root 2. This is root 2, and root 2 cancel, b is equal to 4. Now we find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to under root of a square minus b square by a square. That is under root of a square, that is 64 minus b square 16 by a square is 64. That is 64 minus 16, root over 48 by 64. This is 4 cancelled 2 times, and 4 1 16, and 3 4s 4 4s, that is equal to root over 3 by 4. Therefore eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to root 3 by 2. If x square by alpha plus 3 plus y square by 2 minus alpha is equal to 1 represents a hyperbola, then alpha lies in. So given equation represents a hyperbola. That means this alpha plus 3 greater than 0 and 2 minus alpha less than 0. So this is from this alpha minus 2 greater than 0. So multiplying these two, that is alpha plus 3 into alpha minus 2 greater than 0. That means alpha belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to infinity. This is alpha lies in minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to infinity. 4 points, capital A 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, and capital B 4 comma minus 2 comma 1, and capital C 4 comma 5 comma minus 7, and capital D 2 comma 6 comma minus 5 forms A. First we find the distances AB, that is AB is under root of, we know that distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square under root. Now the distance AB is equal to under root of 4 minus 2 whole square, that is 4 minus 2 plus 1 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, that is 4, that is root 9 is equal to 3. And the distance BC is equal to under root of 4 minus 4 whole square, 0, 5 plus 2 whole square, 49, minus 7 minus 1, that is minus 8 whole square, that is 64, that is equal to root over 113. And the distance CD is equal to under root of 2 minus 4 whole square, that is 4, 6 minus 5 whole square, 1, minus 5 plus 7 whole square, 4, that is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. And the distance AD is equal to under root of 2 minus 2 whole square, 0, plus 6 plus 1 whole square, 7 square, that is 49, plus minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8 whole square, that is 64. This is equal to 113. From this, opposite sides are equal, that is AB is equal to CD is equal to 3, and BC is equal to AD is equal to root 113. Here opposite sides are equal. Now we find the diagonals AC. AC is equal to under root of 4 minus 2 whole square, 4, 5 plus 1 whole square, 6 square, 36, plus minus 7 minus 3, minus 10 whole square, 100, that is equal to 100 root 140. And BD diagonal, BD is equal to under root of 2 minus 4 whole square, that is 4, 6 plus 2 whole square, that is 64, minus 5 minus 1, 36, that is equal to 64 plus 36, 100, that is equal to root over 104. Here diagonals also not equal. AC is not equal to BD. So given points forms a parallelogram. Suppose L1 and L2 are two lines having the direction ratios 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 and 0 comma 2 comma 1 respectively. If the direction cosines of a line perpendicular to both L1 and L2 are L comma M comma N, then mod L plus mod M plus mod N is. So now we find the direction cosines, that is L, M, N. So direction cosine ratios of first line is given, that is 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 2. Write down this is minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 2. And direction ratios of second line is given 0 comma 2 comma 1, that is 2, 1, 0, 2. Therefore L value is, that is L by minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4, that is plus 4, that is equal to M by minus 2 into 0, this is 0, minus 1, this is 1 into 1, minus 1, that is N by 1 into 2, 2, so minus 0 into minus 2, that is 0, that is L by 2 is equal to M by minus 1 is equal to N by 2. Therefore here A comma B comma C direction ratios are 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. Now we find root over A square plus B square plus C square is equal to under root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. Therefore, direction ratio cosines L comma M comma N is equal to 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Now we find the value of mod L plus mod M plus mod N is equal to modulus of 2 by 3 plus modulus of minus 1 by 3 plus modulus of 2 by 3. That is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That is equal, take LCM 3, 2 plus 1 plus 2, this is 5. Therefore, mod L plus mod M plus mod N is equal to 5 by 3. A Cartesian equation of a plane parallel to the plane r bar dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1 and at a distance of 2 units from it is. Here take r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So substituting on that equation, that is r bar dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. So r bar is xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. That is multiplying that is I dot I1, j dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1. That is 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 1. So plane parallel to this line, that is 2x parallel plane is 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to k. These two are parallel planes. So this distance between these two planes is given. That is distance between these two planes is d1 minus d2 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to given, that is 2. d1, that is k minus 1 modulus by under root of a square 4 plus b square 9 plus c square minus 4 whole square is 16 is equal to 2. So from this k minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2 into root over 16 plus 9, 25 plus 4, 29. From this k is equal to 1 plus or minus 2 root 29. Therefore, Cartesian equation of the plane is plane equation is equal to, so 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to k. K value is 1 plus or minus 2 root 29. Limit extends to minus infinity. 3 into mod x cube minus x square plus 2 mod x minus 5 by minus 5 mod x cube plus 3x square minus 2 mod x plus 7. Here is given as x tends to minus infinity. That means mod x is equal to minus x. For negative values, mod x is minus x. Substituting in this, that is limit x tends to minus infinity. 3 into mod x whole cube, that is minus x whole cube is minus 3x cube minus x square plus 2 into mod x, this is minus 2x minus 5 by minus 5 into mod x cube, that is mod x is minus x minus 5 into minus x cube, this is 5x cube plus 3x square minus 2 mod x, that is plus 2x plus 7. So limit extends to infinity, extends to minus infinity. Take x cube common in numerator and denominator, that is minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square minus 5 by x cube by x cube common in denominator, that is 5 plus 3 by x plus 2 by x square plus 7 by x cube. Here x cube cancel. That is equal to limit x tends to infinity minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square minus 5 by x cube by 5 plus 3 by x plus 2 by x square plus 7 by x cube. As x tends to minus infinity, 1 by x comma 1 by x square comma 1 by x cube, all these are tends to 0. Substituting 0 in this limit, that is limit x tends to minus infinity, that is minus 3 minus 0 minus 0 minus 5 by 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is the value of the given limit. Of x is equal to tan of 2p minus 7 into x plus tan 3x by x, where x less than 0, and p minus q, x is equal to 0, q into root over x square plus x minus root x by x power 3 by 2, x greater than 0. If f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, then the value of q by p is, here is given the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. That means limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, that is x less than 0, take this function, that is limit x tends to 0 minus, that is tan of 2p minus 7 into x plus tan 3x by x. So f of 0, that is equal to p minus q, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, that is x greater than 0, the given function is q into root over x square plus x minus root x by x to the power of 3 by 2. So from this, limit x tends to 0 minus tan of 2p minus 7 into x plus tan 3x by x, this value is, so write down the coefficient of x, that is 2p minus 7 plus, here is tan 3x, that value is 3, that is equal to p minus q, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, take root x common, that is q into root x into root over x plus 1 minus 1 by x power 3 by 2 is written as x root x. Here root x cancel. So equating these two, that is 2p minus 7 plus 3 is equal to p minus q. That is 2p minus 4 is equal to p minus q. From this 2p minus p plus q is equal to 4. This is the first equation. And equating these two, that is p minus q is equal to, so q into limit x tends to 0 plus, this is root x plus 1 minus 1 by x, as x tends to 0, this is 0 by 0 form, take differentiation, that is applying L'Hospital rule. Root x plus 1 differentiation is 1 by 2 root x plus 1 minus 1 0 by x derivation is 1. From this p minus q is equal to q into, as x tends to 0, this value is 1 by 2, that is q by 2. So 2p minus 2q is equal to q. From this 2p is equal to 3q. So p is equal to, from this p by q is equal to 3 by 2. So here is asking q by p, from this q by p is equal to 2 by 3. This is the required answer. If x into e power xy is equal to y plus sine square x, then dy by dx at x is equal to 0 is. So take differentiation on both sides, that is x into e power xy, applying UV rule, that is x into e power xy differentiation, that is e power xy into derivation of xy plus e to the power of xy into derivative of x is 1, that is equal to y differentiation dy by dx plus sine square x differentiation, that is 2 sine x into sine x differentiation is cos x. So x e to the power of xy into derivative of xy, that is x into y differentiation dy by dx plus y into x differentiation 1 plus e to the power of xy is equal to dy by dx plus 2 sine x into cos x. This dy by dx at x is equal to 0. That means substituting x is equal to 0 in this equation. That is 0 into e power 0. This is 0. So 0 into this value is 0. E power 0 is 1 is equal to dy by dx plus 2 sine 0 cos 0. Sine 0 is 0. This value is 0. From this dy by dx is equal to 1. Let f of x be differentiable function for all x belongs to R, and f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 3xy. If limit h tends to 0, f of h by h is given 7. Then f dash x is. We know that f dash x is, that is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. For this f of x plus h, here is given f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 3xy. Substituting in this, that is f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h, that is f of x plus f of h minus 3xh minus f of x by h. Here minus f of x plus f of x cancelled, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 3xh by h, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, this is f of h by h minus limit h tends to 0, 3xh by h. Here h cancelled, f of h by h, limit h tends to 0, f of h by h value is 7 minus this is 3x. Therefore f dash x is equal to minus 3x plus 7. The equation of tangent to the curve xy to the power of 5 plus 2x square y minus x cube plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. So here is x is equal to 0 is given. Substituting in the curve, that is xy power 5 0, 2x square y 0, x cube 0, that is y plus 1 is equal to 0. From this y is equal to minus 1. Therefore the point P is x comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 1. Now we find the slope of the curve, that is given curve is xy to the power of 5 plus 2x square y minus x cube plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So take differentiation, this is xy power 5, this is UV model, x into y to the power of 5 derivation, 5y to the power of 4 into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y to the power of 5 into x differentiation 1 plus here 2 constant x square y derivation, applying UV formula, x square into y differentiation dy by dx plus y into x square derivation 2x minus x cube derivation, that is minus 3x square plus y differentiation, that is dy by dx plus 1 differentiation 0, that is equal to 0. So substituting x is equal to 0 in this equation, that is 0 into this value, this total value is This is 0, 0 into this value 0 plus y to the power of 5 minus 1 whole power 5, that is minus 1 plus 2 into x square, 0 into dy by dx 0, 0 into this value 0 minus 3x square 0 plus dy by dx is equal to 0. From this dy by dx is equal to 1. So slope of the given curve is 1. And now we find tangent equation. Tangent equation. We know that y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. So y minus y1, that is y plus 1 is equal to dy by dx is 1 into x minus 0. So y plus 1 is equal to x. So y is equal to x minus 1. This is the tangent to the given curve at x is equal to 0. A particle moves in a straight line such that its displacement s in meters at a time t in second is given by s of t is equal to t cube minus 4t square plus 70. Then the instantaneous velocity v at t is equal to 4 is. Here is displacement is given, that is s is t cube minus 4t square plus 70. Now we find velocity. We know that velocity is equal to the rate of change in displacement, that is ds by dt. This is the formula for velocity. Now we take differentiation, that is t cube differentiation, that is t 3t square minus 4t square differentiation, that is 8t plus 70 differentiation, that is 7. Therefore velocity is equal to 3t square minus 8t plus 7. This velocity at t is equal to 4. Substituting t is equal to 4, that is 3 into 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 7. So this is 4 square is 16, 16 into 3, that is 48 minus 8 into 4, 32 plus 7. So 48 minus 32, that is 16, 16 plus 7, this is 23. Therefore velocity is equal to 23 meters per second. If the two curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut each other right angles, then possible value of k. Right angles means product of the slopes m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This is the formula. So given first curve is x is equal to y square. So take differentiation on both sides with respect to x, that is 1 is equal to y square differentiation 2y into y dash. Y dash means dy by dx. From this y dash is equal to 1 by 2y. This is the slope of the first curve. And second curve is xy is equal to k. From this y is equal to k by x. So take differentiation, that is y dash is equal to k constant 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So therefore y dash is equal to minus k by x square. This is the slope of the second curve. Now we know that given curves are right angles, that is product of the slopes is minus 1, that is 1 by 2y into minus k by x square is equal to minus 1. Both sides minus cancel, that is equal to 2, k is equal to 2x square y, that is equal to 2x into xy. Xy value is given in the problem 2xk. K is equal to 2xk. Both sides kk cancelled. Therefore 2x is equal to 1. From this x is equal to 1 by 2. Now the value of y. Given curve y square is equal to x, that is equal to 1 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by root 2. This is the y value. Now we find the value of k. K is given, that is x into y. X value is 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. Therefore k is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of k. The Rolle's theorem is not applicable to f of x is equal to x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 2 minus x 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 on 0 comma 2, because so first we check the function, given function is continuous or not, that is limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x, that is f of x is x, that value is 1, is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is given function is 2 minus x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that means f of x is continuous because LHL is equal to RHL. And check whether it is differentiable or not, that is f of x is equal to x. Now derivation f dash x is equal to 1, that is f dash of 1 is equal to 1. So given second function f of x is equal to 2 minus x, so f dash x is equal to minus 1. So f dash of 1 is equal to minus 1. Here left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. So LHD is not equal to RHD. So the given function is not differentiable. Is not differentiable. That's why Rolle's theorem cannot be applicable for this function. Integration of x into e power x square by x square minus 2 by x power 4 minus 4x square plus 4 into dx is. So that is, this is given integration of x into e to the power of x square by x square minus 2 into dx by, this is a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 2 whole square. Here take t is equal to x square by x square minus 2. So differentiation on both sides, that is dt is equal to, this is u by v formula, x square minus 2 into derivative of x square is 2x minus x square into derivative of x square minus 2 is 2x by x square minus 2 whole square, that is x square into 2x into dx. X square into 2x is, that is 2x cube minus 4x minus 2x cube by x square minus 2 whole square into dx. Here minus 2x cube plus 2x cube cancel, that is dt is equal to minus 4x dx by x square minus 2 whole square. From this, dt by minus 4 is equal to x dx by x square minus 2 whole square. So substituting these t and dt values in the given problem, that is integration of e to the power of x square by x square minus 2, that is e power t into x dx by x square minus 2 whole square, that is dt by minus 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 4 into integration of e power t dt, that is equal to minus 1 by 4 into integration of e power t, that is e power t plus c. Substituting t value, that is minus 1 by 4 into e to the power of x square by x square minus 2 plus c. This is the answer. Integration of root cot x by sine 2x into dx, that is equal to integration of root cot x by sine 2x, this is 2 sine x into cos x into dx. So multiplying and dividing by sine x for the denominator, sine x into sine x, that is equal to integration of, so root cot x into, here cos x by sine x, this value is cot x into 2 sine x into sine x, that is 1 by 2 sine square x into dx. Here root cot x by cot x, that is cot x power 1 by 2 by cot x, that is cot x power minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by sine square x is cosec square x into dx. Here 1 by 2 constant, integration of cot x power minus 1 by 2 into cosec square x into dx. So here cot x differentiation is minus cosec square x dx. This is f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. Integration of f of x whole to the power of n into f dash x dx is equal to f of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Applying this formula, that is equal to 1 by 2 into, that is f of x is cot x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Here cosec square x, this is minus 1 plus c. Here 1 by 2 cancelled, that is equal to minus cot x whole power 1 by 2, that is root cot x plus c. So here derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. The solution of dy by dx is equal to root over 1 minus y square. Here y of 0 is equal to 1. That means y of x is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So the solution of dy by dx is equal to root 1 minus y square. So separating the variables x and y, that is dy by root 1 minus y square is equal to dx. So take integration on both sides. Dy by root 1 minus y square. This is the formula sine inverse y is equal to integration of dx x plus c. Substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. That is sine inverse 1 is equal to 0 plus c. So c value is sine inverse of 1. Substituting the c value in the relation, that is sine inverse y is equal to x plus c. From this, sine inverse y is equal to x plus c value is sine inverse 1. This is the solution of the given differential equation. If r bar is a vector perpendicular to both the vectors 2i plus 3j minus 4k and 3i minus j plus k and satisfies r bar dot 3i minus 3j plus 4k is equal to 5, then mod r bar is, here take r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So this r bar is perpendicular to given vectors, that is 2i plus 3j minus 4k. So that is r bar dot take, that is oa bar is equal to 0. So that is xi plus yj plus zk dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 0. From this, 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And this r bar is vector is perpendicular to second vector, that is xi plus yj plus zk dot 3i minus j plus k is equal to 0. From this, 3x minus y plus z is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we find x, y, z values from these two equations, that is x, y, z. So from first equation, this is 3, start with y coefficient, and minus 4, 2, 3. And second equation, minus 1, 1, 3, minus 1. Therefore x by, so this is 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, that is 3 minus 4. So that is equal to y by minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. That is equal to z by 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 3 into 3, 9. that is x by minus 1 is equal to y by minus 14 is equal to z by minus 11. From this, x by 1 is equal to y by 14 is equal to z by 11. So x value is 1 and y value is 14 and z value is 11. So these values satisfies the equation r bar dot 3i. This is r bar dot 3i minus 3j plus 4k minus 5 is equal to 0. So r bar means xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, that is 3x minus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Substituting x, y, z values, that is 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 into 14, that is 42 plus 4 into 11, 44 minus 5. Here 3 plus 44, 47 minus 42 minus 5, that is minus 47. This cancel, that is equal to 0. So this value satisfies r bar. Therefore r bar is equal to 1 into I plus yj, that is 14j plus 11k. Now we find mod r bar. Mod r bar is equal to under root of 1 square plus 14 square plus 11 square, that is equal to 1 square is 1, 14 square, this is 196 plus 11 square 121, that is equal to under root of 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 2 plus 9, 11, 1 plus 1, 3. So therefore modulus of r bar is equal to under root of 318.